A certain percentage of these people are arriving at a very critical point in history, and we feel that the time has come to try to assist them. If they will listen, we can ensure that they take the right path. This is why you have been chosen. But I am not a writer. Why haven't you chosen a good writer, someone well-known, or a good journalist? Thao smiled at my vehement reaction. The only writers who might have done it, as it must be done, are dead. I mean Plato or Victor Hugo, and they still would have reported the facts with too much stylistic embellishment. We require the most precise account possible. Then you need a journalist reporter. Michel, you know yourself that journalists on your planet are so inclined towards sensationalism that they often distort the truth. How often, for example, do you see news reports that differ from channel to channel or paper to paper? Whom do you believe when one gives the death toll in an earthquake as 75, another as 62 and another as 95? Do you really imagine we would trust a journalist? You are absolutely right. I exclaimed. We have observed you and we know all about you as we know about some others on earth, and you were selected. But why exactly me? I am not the only one on earth capable of objectivity. Why not you? In time, you will learn the principal reason behind our choice. I didn't know what to say. Moreover, my objections were ridiculous since I had already embarked on this affair and there was no going back. Ultimately, I had to admit I was enjoying this space voyage more and more. Certainly, millions of human beings would have given all they owned to be in my place. I will argue no further, Thao. If this is your decision, I can only yield to it. I hope I will be equal to the task. Have you considered that 99% of people will not believe a word of what I say? For most people it will be too incredible. Michel, almost 2000 years ago, did they believe that Christ was sent by God as he claimed? Certainly not, for they wouldn't have crucified him had they believed. Now, however, there are millions who believe what he said. Who believes him? Do they really believe him, Thao? And who was he anyway? First of all, who is God? Does he exist? I have been expecting this question, and it is important that you ask it. On an ancient stone tablet, which I believe is Nakal, it is written, "In the beginning there was nothing, all was darkness and silence."